Welcome back to Taste of the Caribbean. So today I'm going to make for you some Jamaican brown stew fish. What we had to do first was this fish is tilapia, and it needed to be washed with lemon, vinegar, and then had to dry each piece and set it aside. Set it aside to at least kind of get the water out and make it dry for at least maybe an hour or two. So I had a paper towel that's laying in this pan here. As you can see, the paper towel is saturated right now with just everything from the fish. You want to make sure that this is completely dry because we're going to fry each piece. And you don't want too much, a lot of excess water on this fish because it's going to be fried in oil. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to use Grace fish seasoning. I'm going to use this. And I would say put in here at least, cover this whole plate with fish seasoning. We're gonna season at least about a few pieces, maybe 5 pieces. And see how I'm going to season this right here. I'm going to make sure that each side is seasoned. And you're gonna get the top, the bottom, and the sides of this fish, and the inside of the fish as well. As you can see, you're gonna rub all that in. You're gonna put all of this in the inside and the sides of the fish. Okay, all right. You just wanna make sure every part of this gets this seasoning, even the inside, okay? Gonna make sure we cover, and we're gonna get some more pieces here. Obviously, that's why I actually mentioned make sure that this whole, we're gonna make sure that this is covered with fish seasoning, and we have another piece here. Right, so let's get the third piece going because I'm gonna see if we can actually get like 5 pieces at the same time. Make sure you, like I said, just get the inside, rub the inside of the fish. You're gonna get 2 more pieces. All right. Side, the bottom, the sides, the inside of the fish. Want to make sure we get all of that right there. See? Good. Okay, and that's what we want. We want to make sure that we cover it all, just the inside of the fish. This should be a good amount. All right, this is fine because it cleaned the counters already. All right, so this is some hot oil, and it's been put on like medium fire. Want to make sure we put enough oil so that at least we don't have to fry the sides of the fish, but it is submerged completely in the oil. All right, so I am going to see if I can actually just get this is this right here. I'm just gonna actually use this to put in the pot right here, and one at a time. Want to make sure, see that? See how it's frying? That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want. I'll put 5 of these in there. 5 of them in there. All right, so we're gonna let this fry for a few minutes. You wanna make sure that each side is brown. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna rest it on the side. We're gonna fry the rest of it. We're gonna continue and repeat this process until all the pieces are done. Then we're gonna finish this fish at the brown stew stage. But right now it's frying, and this is what you wanna see. You wanna make sure that it's frying. like this, and we're gonna fry it on both sides, and then we're gonna take it out, fry everything else, and repeat the same process with everything else, and finish everything off. All right, and we'll be back to check on this. Welcome back to Taste of the Caribbean. So you can see that this is the completed fish that was done. It's actually done frying already. Both sides are fried. Tastes really good. The one thing is now we're gonna finish the fish, and we're gonna brown stew it. So I put 2 tablespoons of the oil that was actually the fish oil that it was fried in this pot. It is actually warming up right now. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna use I'm gonna have some onions. We're gonna saute this. Half an onion right there. We're gonna saute that. Mix it all around. Just want these onions to be translucent, and then just gonna make sure after that is done, we've mixed all that around. Then what we're gonna do, just gonna make sure that these onions are broken down. Yeah, we're gonna break it down even more. So after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the carrots. We're gonna repeat the process with the carrots right here, and then we're also going to add some green pepper, red pepper. We're gonna put this hot pepper in at the very last part of the process of brown stewing this fish. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter right here, and we're also gonna add about 3 cubes of Maggi, and we're going to flavor it with also some ketchup and fish and meat sauce. So, all right. Okay. All right. So the next thing is the carrots. Now we're gonna put these carrots in here. Gonna add a little bit of thyme. Okay. All right, that's good. The next thing is I'm gonna add this right here. Like I said, we're gonna save this for the last part. All right, here we go. Gonna add this, and I'm gonna add some water to this pot. I'd say almost half a cup of water. Okay, half a cup of water. And what I'm going to also do here is I'm going to add the Maggi cubes. Got 2 of those. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I want to make sure that, obviously because of all this fish, that it has enough sauce. I'm not going to drown the whole pot with sauce to accommodate all of this right here. But I just want to have enough to just show you how this is made. So I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter. This is the rest of the Maggi cube. I said it was 3 that we're going to add. Okay, and now, just, I think it could use a little bit, some more water right here. Okay, you notice that I didn't put the fish in yet because if we put this in and it cooks down for even 20 or 30 minutes, this thing is all gonna fall apart in the pot. So we're just gonna time this. I'm gonna put some fish and meat sauce, about a spoon of this. I'm gonna put also some ketchup. It's safe to actually put this in here now. It's gonna really get into it. You know, you should actually also make sure that you are tasting this. I need to get a spoon to try this out. Not bad. Okay. When we put this fish in there, it's going to actually have a lot more flavor, but I know exactly. Okay, so we're going to let this cook down, and we're going to add the fish right here. So we're going to let this cook down for a few minutes. That pot is going to cook down with these vegetables for a few minutes. We're going to add this fish and finish it off. Be right back. So this is the finished product of the brown stew fish. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just plate it so you guys can see what it looks like. Make sure you get all this right here. Now you can also add some other spices to it, but we just use the fish seasoning. So if you feel like you need to add anything else, but just don't make it too salty. That fish seasoning, it should be just enough, but looks really good and it tastes even better. All right, I'm going to show you what next. Welcome back to Taste of the Caribbean. So this is the final product of the brown stew fish. Really tasty. If you like this video, just click on like and subscribe, and make sure you also click on post notifications to see all the new videos that are coming up on my channel. Thanks for watching.